Hey guys, welcome to the IKNOWLEE channel, and as you guys know, I'm not her. I'm actually naturally Temi, and today we are collabing. We are showing you guys products that we were obsessed with in 2017. If you want to see my video, then it will be in the description below, and let's get on to this video.
Hi loves, yes, welcome back. It's a video that Temi and I are collabing on. I'm not going to go in any particular order because I don't want to like favorite one product over another, but just know that all of these were hands down some of the greatest launches that came out in 2017, and I could be missing some, but this is what I use and I just felt like, oh my god, like this is amazing. The very first product that I will say was my favorite in 2017 was definitely the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. This stuff, when I initially used it, I was beyond amazed. It is so perfect for thick, kinky, coarser textured hair, and I love it. Along with the definition that it gives, it has the most amazing smell. This stuff was bomb. When I first got it, I literally used it for like a month and a half straight without using any other twisting products, and I was like, hold on. It's good, but you can't just latch on to it like that. So Mielle, I think that Mielle definitely had a really big year in 2017. They came out with so many great new products, and this one definitely makes my top 5. Next on the list is probably going to be like the most raved about product of 2017, and that is the Elongated Gel Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil. I remember when everybody was on the hunt for this. One of my followers actually sent me a bottle of this because we did not have it in Houston, and I was so grateful. She was in Louisiana. She was like, I'll buy you some and send it to you, and she did. I was like, oh. And then I ended up going to St. Louis, and they had it all over St. Louis. So I bought like 3 jars, packed it in my suitcase, and brought it back. And I was using this so much, especially for wash and goes. I also even used it to lay my edges, and it works pretty well for that. But I do like this one because it's thicker. The coconut oil one is still probably like my hands down favorite, but I definitely think that this one would be right next in line. And I was trying to think of whether the coconut oil one came out last year or if it came out in 2016. But I'm gonna go with this one because I know for a fact that this one did come out in 2017, and this stuff is bomb. Next, we have a product by Cantu, and I know that this one is new. It is their Shea Butter for Natural Hair Extra Hold Edge Stay Gel. Okay, I used this for the first time in maybe like October or November, and let me tell you, I fell in love with it. I went through the first jar of it. It's gone. It has diminished because literally I traded this edge control in for virtually all of my other edge controls, probably outside of like my Creme Nature one. But this one, it's affordable, it does the job. It doesn't leave your edges like super shiny either, which I really like, and it's like a nice soft hold. And also, one thing about this edge control that I cannot say literally about any other edge control is it doesn't build up. So like if I put this edge control on 4 days in a row, it doesn't leave like that white kind of cast on my edges. I don't know what it is about it, but this stuff works really well, and I think that it retails for like $5.99, $6. You cannot beat this. After that, we're gonna go ahead and move into Creme Nature because Creme Nature had quite a few launches last year, good launches, and one of the products that they launched, which I kind of thought was a little innovative, it was different, it definitely kind of took the cake of the year, and I think that it is an amazing product, and it is their Creme Nature with Organol from Morocco for natural hair, flexible styling Snot. This stuff, once again, this is my second bottle of this, and surprisingly I never even did a video on it. I don't know why, but this stuff is absolutely bomb. You can literally use it for almost anything, but I definitely think that it works really well for like protective styling. You can use it as edge control. If you want sleek hair that is laid down, hello, I have arrived. This is it right here. And my very last product, it was kind of hard to choose because I was thinking like, I don't want to say the same brand over and over again, but I'm gonna have to go ahead and do it. It is from Mielle. I'm sorry, once again, their Pomegranate and Honey collection. First off, let me just say that that whole collection was bomb. From beginning to end, the whole collection was amazing. I will say that. and now we'll move on. But what I will say is my other favorite product from the collection is their leave-in conditioner. Literally, this is like halfway gone. It's like right there. I use this pretty much every time that I wash my hair and I apply a leave-in conditioner. Not even gonna lie about it, this is usually the product that I go to. It's light, but it's moisturizing, and it has a really nice slip to it, and that's what I enjoy the most about it, because I can just like glide it through, and it's just so amazing on the hair. So loves, those are my top 5 favorite new natural hair products of 2017. Make sure that you head over to Temi's channel, which I will link down below, and watch and see what her top 5s are. I love you guys. Thank you for supporting my videos. Make sure that you subscribe and like this video. Please leave your favorite natural hair products of 2017 down in the description bar below, and let me know if I missed anything that came out last year that was like super amazing. And I will see you loves in my next video. Bye.